Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate images using simple text prompts with AI. Without more ado, let's get started. So head over to Google on your phone or on your PC, search for free pic. So this is it, just tap on the first option. Voila. When you come over here, you might be wondering what to do next. Tap on the three dots over here, that's the menu. And as you can see, mine is showing in French. You can tap on the three dots over here, tap on translate. It's going to translate the whole page to English. All right, let's translate it again. All right, that's it. So after that, tap on AI image generator, tap on it. Okay, it opens up like this. Over here, these are some images that I've generated already. So that's it. You can see that's it right there. Those are previous images I've generated. So first of all, let me tap on import a file. You can describe your image using text, or you can import a picture to reference your image, right? So over here, this is where you describe the kind of image you want to generate. So click here. So I'm going to head over to my note app on my phone. I'm going to type in my prompt: generate me an image of a vibrant market scene in Douala, Cameroon. In a sunny day. Sunny, let's say, atmosphere. Okay, let me copy it, head over there and I paste it here, and I tap on generate. So over here you have size. You can choose a size. I want square, so I leave it on square. So I think you can check other things here. Character, this one are premium, so don't go there. Let's just focus on this one. So after that, tap on generate. It says 20 images left today. So every day you have the possibility to create 20 images every day. All right. If you want to create more than that, you can subscribe for the premium. But at least this is not bad for us. This is 4. It's gonna create the 4 in different styles. So let's just wait for it a little while. So this is other images I created already. Okay, this is it. Voila. Let me tap on this. This is actually a rainy day, not a sunny day. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, this is not bad. Alright, this is not bad at all. So just tap on download icon here. You have PNG, you have JPEG. Just tap on téléchargement. That's download. These are other ones I generated yesterday. Okay, this one is not bad. Tap on this one as well. Let's generate one more thing. Let me go over to my note app. Let's see. Generate me an image of a futuristic African warrior dressed like a knight with a large sword and fearful look. Warrior should be a young man. Okay, that's just it. So copy and just paste it over here. Before that, let's remove all of this. Let me remove everything. I paste it over here. Voila, tap on generate. So 16 images remaining today. Wow, this is amazing. This is it. So tap on download. This is so cool. As you can see, this is so cool. And you're doing all of this for free. That means you have 20 images to generate per day. And there is it. You can see. You can use these images to create anything of your choice, right? So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to share with your friends, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope I will see you in the next video. Adios.